Hey y'all, this is Ari from Minor Village, and I'm here to give you guys some tips on how to organize your assignments for this semester. So this year I started making a Google Calendar with all of my assignments. I will set how long my quizzes are open for, and for my different assignments or exams, I will put different notifications for the day before, 2 days before, and 1 week before. And also for my assignments, I will also include a 30 minutes before notification, 1 day before, 2 days before, and also 1 week before so that I never miss it. I like to color code my classes so each class has a different color, and it helps me remember which color goes to what class rather than memorize all of my classes and their assignments that are due. I also have a large calendar that I use to write down all of my assignments and their due dates. As you can see, it is also color coordinated, and it also has any extracurriculars I do, so that way when I don't have my laptop, I can just come look at this really quick and see if I have anything due for that day. For the next one, you would make a Google Sheets or an Excel sheet, make 4 columns, your class name, assignment type, assignment name, and if you've completed it or not. You can put all of your assignments down and their due dates, put it in numerical order, and have them all color coded according to what they are.